Hey, let me show you how to unblock emails on Yahoo Mail. So, first, what you want to do from the main page here is come up to the little cog. This is the settings cog. Then you want to come down and select more settings. Now you want security and privacy here on the left hand side. And here you can add a block address. So you can add an address here to block. However, all the blocked addresses are listed underneath here. As you can see, I've blocked this one here. All you need to do to unblock it is press this little bin icon. And there you go. It'll say block sender deleted. So now that email is no longer blocked. Hopefully that helps you out how to unblock emails on Yahoo Mail. If it does, don't forget, smash the like button. And if you want more videos like this, smash the subscribe button.